What's up, guys? I'm going to be doing a review on the Ingram M11 CO2 BB gun and the MP5K PDW CO2 Airsoft BB gun and the Armax Steel Storm BB gun CO2 powered. And it's a hole in the box. Anyways, let's get started. Here's the Ingram M11 Uzi. It comes with the Uzi itself and a mag. The mag looks like that's the pin. That's how you load it. First, we must put the gun. Here's the gun. Perfect. Good sight. And it looks like you can open it up, do squeeze here, and then it locks. Alright, you can use it for your shoulder. It's 9 blowback. It's a semi-automatic. Does not come with CO2 at all. And then you can also press this button under here, and then you can just pull. There we go. Use it for your shoulder. Alright. We'll shoot that in a little bit. Let's get started with the Armax Steel Storm BB gun. First, we have this quick tips. Alright, then we have the gun. Ooh, what is that? This looks hard. There's a little pin. We'll see what that's for later. But we have the gun. Safety, to reload it, that's the spring. It says 430 FPS. You can pull this back to cock it. And then here's the full auto, semi-auto. And then there is the CO2 release button there. And then second release button there. And then the sights. Yeah, pretty good. Alright, let's get on with the biggest and most expensive gun. This was $160 on Amazon for the semi-automatic blowback action. There we go. Comes just like that, no packaging, or barely any. Go. Well, yeah, here's safety. Shoot. Let's move it. There's the sights. Here is the cock. Here's the front hand grip. Magazine release. And here's the magazine. This is the magazine. BB gun 177, and it just goes in. And notice when it's in, you cannot pull it the trigger back. It's kind of bad. And this is the trigger release, or the magazine release. I think this is a semi-auto drop-free magazine. Steel BB blowback action. Yep. And then the look on these, I'll give it a 10 for the MP5K. How it's built, a 9. And for the next video, I'll be shooting them. This is blowback. And for the Uzi, 10 out of 10 all the way Uzi. And for the weirdest gun of them all, I'd give it a 8 out of 10 full all around. And come back for the next video to watch me shoot them. Thank you.